It is important to start out your training session with a warm-up that should be about 5 to 10 minutes long of low to moderate intensity exercises to safely work your muscles to prevent injury. These can include jumping jacks, walking on a treadmill, and stretching. It is important to target exercises of the muscle you're going to be doing that day.
So for the first workout today, we're going to be doing bridges, and bridges utilize type 1 muscle fibers. And type 1 muscle fibers are more for like small movements or prolonged movements, such as like cycling a longer distance, or running a longer distance, or swimming a longer distance, just aerobic exercises. And so for the first part of this exercise, you're going to want to lay flat on the floor and bring the bottoms of your feet so they're underneath your knees, flat on the floor. And then put your hands to your sides and slowly bring your hips up until your knees, hips, and shoulders are all in a straight line. And once you're all in a straight line, you're going to want to hold this for about 20 to 30 seconds. And then once that's over, you're going to bring your hips slowly back down. And you're probably going to repeat this about 10 times, or 10 reps. For our next workout, we're going to be doing jump squats. And this utilizes the type 2A muscle fibers. These muscle fibers aren't really as much for endurance, and therefore more of like force and explosiveness. So for the first part of this exercise, you're going to want to have your feet, have a flat surface, have your feet and knees parallel to your shoulders, so all equal. You're going to want to try and bend, put your thighs parallel to the floor, so like you're sitting in a chair. You're going to want to bend, put your arms up as you go down, and explode up like this. And you're going to want to do that 10 times, and as you're coming down, you're going to want to focus on putting your knees at a 45-degree angle so you land properly in the explosive form.
Okay, so the final exercise of our workout is going to be utilizing the type 2X muscle fibers, which are used for quick, explosive, and powerful movements. These muscles use the anaerobic metabolism and fatigue faster than type 1 muscle fibers. So for this exercise, we are going to be doing kettlebell swing squats, which are a regular squat, but you are going to be using a weight and swinging it through your legs and then back up as you come back up from the squat. So, for example, you're going to be squatting down and swinging the weight through your legs and then back up as you come up, making sure you want to squeeze your thighs and your butt muscles. And then when you go back down, you're going to be using that same force to go back down and then being explosive on your way up. You want to be fluid and explosive the entire time. The cool down part of our workout is key because it helps relax the muscles that you used during your workout. You want to use low intensity exercises such as walking or stretching. And with the stretching, you want to specifically target the muscles that you worked on in the workout. So for approximately 5 to 10 minutes, you're going to want to do the necessary stretches to help relax your muscles in order to prevent injury or fatigue.